Soul Seva team Aisha and me were excited to go out and serve. We were to go to Mamta Foundation, an organization which looked after the welfare of HIV/AIDS affected children. As you see, the roads were not easy and our car broke down, but we finally got a lift and we reached there.
सोल सेवा ही आमची हेल्थ आणि वेलनेसची एक इनिशिएटिव्ह कंपनी आहे आणि आम्ही अशी
Aisha immediately connected with the children. She taught them the significance of love, peace, and harmony in today's life and how it would help them to transform their blockages, especially their health issues.
काही विचार आला तुम्हाला काही थॉट्स आले तर काही येऊ द्या आणि परत तुमचं
These children are so young and they have HIV/AIDS,
प्रेस करतो
a sickness which affects their immunity.
अँड सोल
Yet they are so disciplined, they are practicing, they are making an effort, and they are so quick to learn. We are so blessed to be able to serve them.
love, peace and harmony.
The children were quick to learn, and they were now singing the Love, Peace and Harmony song in their local language, Marathi also.
मला प्रेम
When you sing Love, Peace and Harmony, you feel a great connection. When you sing in your own language, you feel a greater connection.
प्रेम शांती आणि एकता प्रेम शांती आणि एकता प्रेम शांती आणि एकता प्रेम शांती आणि एकता.
It was my turn to teach now, and I was teaching them the Thou Love Peace Harmony calligraphy with the Thou calligraphy harmony. But before that, I decided to offer them a blessing by singing the Love Peace Harmony song along with the blessings of the Love Peace Harmony calligraphy. The Thou calligraphy had created a powerful field which was blessing each and every one at this time. Observe the little dog who is right near my leg. He had gone to sleep with all the blessings coming his way. And now it was time to sing for everyone in the world who was affected by HIV/AIDS. This was the new way to sing. Spread your hands out, offer your love. When you give love, you bring it back inside. And this is how they were also learning to serve with love, peace and harmony.
Lula वाटलं, मनात जरा फील झालेलं आणि जरा हृदयात छान फील, बॉडीला पण फील वाटलं. थँक्यू.
खूप छान वाटलं.
We traced the calligraphy for the children, and the children wanted to come and feel the calligraphy's power. They were so happy, they were excited. We were all so happy to have served. One song can change the world. Download it from here. We offer our greatest love and gratitude to beloved Master Shah and everyone who watches this.